How was your trip this weekend?
Good.
Good. Did you have fun?
Yes.
What was your favorite ride?
My favorite ride was the Thunder Mountain.
The Thunder Mountain. You are a brave kid. Do you love the roller coasters?
Yes.
Yes. Did you get to make Mickey and Minnie?
Yes.
Yes. And I hear that you have a beautiful voice. Are you going to sing a song for us?
Yes.
All right.